A few days ago, engineers faced an enormous challenge while constructing an underwater tunnel. They had to overcome tremendous water pressure, strong currents, and pitch-black darkness. How did they manage to accomplish this seemingly impossible task? This is what we'll be watching in today's video. 5 hours of continuous driving reduced to just 2 hours. This is the magic that the Fehmarnbelt tunnel will achieve upon completion, dramatically shortening the travel time between Hamburg and Copenhagen. This massive project is scheduled for completion in 2029. Despite the King of Denmark already inaugurating the first section of the tunnel, builders still have much work ahead. This tunnel will form a pivotal part of Europe's road infrastructure. The Fehmarnbelt will become the world's longest underwater tunnel dedicated to cars and trains. The tunnel will extend 18 kilometers in length and reach a depth of 40 meters below sea level. It will accommodate 4 lanes for cars and 2 tracks for trains. The cost of this gigantic project is estimated at approximately $8.5 billion. Upon completion, it will reduce the travel time between Hamburg and Copenhagen from 5 hours to just 2 hours. Seas and oceans are not just a source of fish wealth, but a hidden treasure of clean energy. If we properly harnessed ocean energy, we could cover the equivalent of 20% of Earth's energy needs, amounting to millions of terawatt-hours annually. Companies worldwide recognize these enormous possibilities, which is why we see them competing with investments reaching trillions of dollars in some regions. Bauer Renewables Limited stands out as one of the leading companies in this field. It provides specialized foundations for global use, serving as ideal anchors for floating power stations. The company handles the installation of these foundations itself. This system can drill to depths of 11 meters, with diameters reaching up to 2.3 meters. Remarkably, the installation of these foundations is not hindered even by ocean currents, reaching speeds of 22 kilometers per hour. Corrosion, a silent enemy threatening underwater structural integrity. However, with CarboShield, there's no need to worry anymore. These intelligently designed covers provide superior and long-lasting protection for marine columns and supports. CarboShield consists of protective covers made from carbon fiber, used for maintaining, repairing, and strengthening underwater columns and similar structures. These covers are ingeniously designed to leave a gap that allows technicians to pour anti-corrosion material. These covers enhance the strength of supports by 35 times. CarboShield is the optimal solution for complex projects such as bridges, military bases, and even nuclear power plants. Its benefits aren't limited to concrete and steel only. It can also be used to protect wooden structures. 9 tons? 18 tons? No problem. With Poseidon barge marine platforms, you can transport heavy equipment with complete ease, thanks to their intelligent design that can be adjusted according to your needs. The company's services aren't limited to manufacturing these platforms. They also include sales and rentals. The standard P2 model from Poseidon barge can carry 9 tons. If you need a larger capacity, you simply add another platform to increase the load to 18 tons. One of the most important features of the P2 is its integrated modular design. If you're in a hurry, you can use a platform from another company, as the connection system is compatible with various models. This way, you can build a strong platform to support a massive crane. Over a century ago, German engineer Trygve Larsen made a revolutionary innovation that transformed temporary dam engineering. Through his ingenuity, Larsen developed a unique connection system that remains in use to this day. Cofferdams are structures placed directly in water to isolate sections of a lake or river, greatly facilitating construction operations and flood control. More than 100 years ago, Larsen bent the edges of a U-shaped metal strip, creating a tongue-and-groove connection that could be easily driven and linked with other similar connections. This system, cleverly named the Larsen interlock, continues to be used by cofferdam builders to this present day. The Larsen U-shaped piling with its innovative interlock design revolutionized temporary water control structures in the early 1900s, establishing a standard that has withstood the test of time in civil engineering applications. The area of coral reefs has dramatically declined from 600,000 square kilometers in the early 1980s to only 250,000 square kilometers by the end of the century. This massive loss represents a devastating blow to marine life and humanity alike. Coral reefs function as the forests of the oceans, providing habitat for shrimp and crustaceans while supporting millions of jobs in the shellfish industry. Therefore, the Reef Systems team dedicates its efforts to manufacturing and installing artificial coral reefs composed of concrete units. These reefs are designed according to a wide range of criteria, including wave height, and are ready to host marine organisms immediately upon installation. These artificial reef structures can serve a dual purpose as anchoring bases for floating solar panels. When it comes to offshore wind energy, Siemens Gamesa stands out as one of the world's most important manufacturing companies. They have installed more than 1,000 self-propelled offshore wind turbines and operate in more than 90 countries. Recently, Siemens Gamesa won a contract to supply turbines to the Danish Ørsted Group, with a planned total capacity reaching 1,400 megawatts. To meet these requirements, Siemens Gamesa has developed a wide range of turbines. For example, the SG 7.0-170 model is ideal for strong wind conditions with a capacity of 7 megawatts. Meanwhile, the more advanced SG 14-222DD model can generate 14 megawatts of power. With the global increase in fish consumption, innovation in aquaculture technologies has become an absolute necessity. By 2030, per capita fish consumption is expected to reach 21.2 kilograms annually. This is where aquafarm equipment stands out with its advanced solutions. Take, for example, the Neptune cage, the largest fiberglass fish cage in the world. With this cage, predators become a thing of the past, and the process of feeding and caring for fish becomes much easier. The result? 50 kilograms of adult fish per cubic meter without harming the local ecosystem. We hope these innovative solutions will contribute to improving the quality of fish life and ensuring a sustainable future for our fish resources. Laying 61 kilometers of underwater cables is no easy task. The challenge became even more difficult in the Borssele Alpha project due to the need to bury the cables at a depth of 10 meters in an environmentally protected area. This wind farm is located in the North Sea and generates more than 1,500 megawatts of clean energy. To transfer this energy to land, specialized marine cables had to be laid. This is where Royal Boscalis Westminster, a global leader in this field, comes in. You can watch a video documenting the experts' work on laying two 61-kilometer cables connecting the Borssele Alpha units, 1 and 2, to the onshore power grid. This was just one of many tasks in the project. It also required burying the cables at a depth of 10 meters in a naturally protected area, which is why the work took several years. In the end, however, the project was completed with precision and professionalism, while significantly minimizing environmental impact. As countries around the world strive to transform their electricity industry into an environmentally friendly one, floating solar power plants are gaining tremendous popularity. This innovative technology provides an effective solution for generating clean energy while utilizing vast water surfaces. India stands as a prominent example in this field, racing against time to build some of the world's largest floating solar power plants. The Offshore Dam project aims to generate 600 megawatts, having already reached 278 megawatts by early 2024. These projects are not limited to India alone, as Brazil also plans to reach 26 gigawatts of total solar power generation by 2054. On another front, China's SunGrow company plays an important role in this field, having sold its solar panels to more than 100 countries and delivered over 605 gigawatts of clean energy. After witnessing all these impressive underwater engineering achievements, an important question comes to mind. What are the limits of our ambitions in underwater construction? Will we one day see entire cities built beneath the sea? Share your thoughts and perspectives in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content about the secrets of the oceans.